Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Allah, 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 Allah. Wealth, fame, respect did not bring me satisfaction, and happiness kept growing, and I kept completing. Ever since I have spoken La ilaha, my heart, mind are satisfied. When inside fighting, fighting outside, then how can you be righteous? Allah, 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 Allah. Al-Malik, Al-Malik, Al-Raziq, Al-Raziq, Al-Malik, Al-Malik, Al-Raziq, Al-Raziq. Who else should I pray to when you are my protect, and when all the God of the world cannot decide for me? My heart is calling Laila, my mind is telling Laila, my tongue is saying Laila, my eyes are seeing Laila. Allah, 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 Allah. Ghafarun, Sattarun, Rahimun, Kareemun. Ghafarun, Sattarun, Rahimun, Kareemun. Who can draw forgiveness when you are not turning back to me? I have come to you repenting. I have both my sins and misery. Mujhe all of forgiveness. I'm ready to submit to you. My heart is calling Laila, my mind is telling Laila, my tongue is saying Laila, my eyes are seeing Laila. Allah, 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 Allah. Jazakallahu khair.